Hey everybody, it's me, Joe, and I want to welcome you to this new YouTube video. And it's very similar to one that I just put out a few days ago because a lot of people wrote to me and they said they wanted more short grammar tests. So this is a short grammar test number 2. All right. In this, I'm going to show you 4 sentences and I want you to tell me if they're right or wrong. Okay, simple as that. Before we get to that, I want you to remind you, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Because if you don't hit the notification bell, you might lose your hair. I'm not a doctor, but it might happen. Also, stay tuned till the end of the video. Watch the whole video. At the end, I'm going to give you some more tips on how to learn English. Okay? All right, now the first thing we're going to do here is I'm going to show you the whiteboard where I have written down 4 sentences. I want you to look at them carefully, and then you're going to have to pause the video, then write down on a piece of paper yourself, or send me a comment, whatever you think, of which of the sentences are right and which of the sentences are wrong. Okay? Then start the video again. And I will tell you the answers, right or wrong, and I will explain the answers to you. So it's a little quick grammar test with answers and explanations all in one video. That's fantastic, Joe. Wow, we love you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the whiteboard so you can check out those sentences. Okay, this is the whiteboard that I was talking about earlier. And I have written 4 sentences on it. Let's take a look at them, and then you can decide whether or not they're right or wrong. So the first one is, some of people drink too much alcohol in their free time. Okay. Number 2, if Donnie wants to lose his weight, he should go on a diet. Nice. Number 3, for example, hockey and skiing. And the last one, Joe needs to study hardly if he wants an A+ on the next test. Okay, so those are the 4 sentences. Now your job is to pause the video and then write on a piece of paper, or you can send me a comment. I'll write back to you which one of those sentences you think is right and which of those sentences you think is wrong. Okay? So I want you to pause the video right now. Did you do it? I hope you did it. Okay, we're back now. We're back. Let's go through the sentences one at a time, and I'm going to tell you if they're right or wrong. So, sentence number 1. Some of people drink too much alcohol in their free time. What do you think? Is this right or wrong? The correct answer is, it is wrong. Okay, sentence number 1 is wrong. It's incorrect. And now I'm going to show you why it's wrong. Okay, watch this. So the sentence is, some of people drink too much alcohol in their free time. And as I said, this is wrong. It is wrong because we don't say some of people, we say some people. If you hear anyone saying some of people, please give them a slap from me. The sentence should be, some people drink too much alcohol in their free time. That is much better, okay? The next sentence is number 2. If Donnie wants to lose his weight, he should go on a diet. Do you think that's right or wrong? The answer is, it is also wrong. Okay, maybe you know somebody named Donnie that wants to lose a few pounds, and he's overweight. I'm going to show you now why it's wrong, okay? So sentence number 2 is, if Donnie wants to lose his weight, he should go on a diet. This is incorrect. It is wrong because we don't say lose his weight or lose my weight or lose your weight. We say just lose weight. If I want to lose weight, if you want to lose weight, if he wants to lose weight. The sentence should be, if Donnie wants to lose weight, he should go on a diet. Actually, that's good advice for me, too. We're back, and sentence number 3, for example, hockey and skiing. What do you think? Is that right or wrong? The answer is, it is wrong. Very wrong. Okay, so now I'm going to show you why it's very wrong. Watch this. Okay, sentence number 3 is, for example, hockey and skiing. But this sentence is not correct. It is wrong because every sentence needs a subject and a verb. For example, you could say, I love hockey and skiing. Students make this mistake because they break up one idea. They say things like, I love winter sports, period. For example, hockey and skiing. But the sentence should be, I love winter sports, period. For example, I love hockey and skiing. Or, I love winter sports, such as hockey and skiing. Yeah. And finally, we're back for the 4th sentence, which is about some guy named Joe. Maybe not me, somebody else. Joe needs to study hardly if he wants an A+ on the next test. Okay? Do you think this is right or wrong? The answer is, it is totally wrong. They're all wrong. All wrong again. All wrong. Okay. So now I want to show you why sentence number 4 is wrong. Watch this. So sentence number 4 says, Joe needs to study hardly if he wants an A+ on the next test. And this is incorrect. It is wrong because we don't use hardly in this way. Hardly doesn't equal hard. They are not the same meaning. We use hardly to mean hardly equals a very small amount. So you could say, whoa, Joe has hardly any hair on his head. Oh, sad. So the sentence should be, Joe needs to study hard if he wants to get an A+ on the next test. That's right. Okay, so I have finished the short grammar test, this one called number 2. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understood the grammar points that I just described and explained. Now, for some tips. A lot of people ask me, Joe, how do I get better at speaking, especially if there's no native speakers to speak with? Well, I tell my students they don't need to speak to a native speaker, right? To get better at speaking, you have to improve your listening and improve your pronunciation. You can do that speaking to anyone. Every Saturday on my Instagram channel, which is at English _teacher Joe, I'll write it right here. Every Saturday, I make a post to try and get people together so they can find partners to speak to each other. All right? And when you get together, you just practice speaking. You're going to need lots of partners. All right, not just one. One's not enough. Get 10 or 12 partners so that you'll have different partners at different times. And then you need some fun material to talk about. All right. What I'm going to do below is in the notes below, I'm going to put links to other videos of mine that help you get better at speaking. Okay. If you open up the notes below this video, you'll see links to different videos I've done before that help people improve their speaking. All right. That will help you. Also, remember, visit my Instagram channel on Saturday. Try to find some speaking partners. Okay? So that's it for now. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did, and tell all your friends about it. And that's it for now. Bye-bye.